Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Decide which purchase model fits your needs before downloading Excel. Purchase Microsoft 365 subscription for Excel and other Office apps. A subscription provides automatic updates and cloud storage with OneDrive. Buy a one-time Office home and student license if you prefer one payment. That license includes Classic Excel without recurring fees and limited upgrades. Use Excel for the web free with a Microsoft account and limited features. The web version runs in browsers and stores files in OneDrive. Sign in at account. Microsoft.com with the Microsoft account tied to your license. Locate services and subscriptions, then select Install to download the Office installer. Run the downloaded installer and follow prompts to install Excel on Windows or Mac. For Windows, allow the installer to make changes when prompted. Activate Excel by entering your Microsoft account credentials or product key. After activation, open Excel and connect OneDrive to sync your files and settings across devices. Understand ongoing costs and maintenance before committing to a plan. Microsoft 365 personal costs about $9.99 per year for one user as of today. If you prefer multiple users, consider Microsoft 365 Family for up to 6 people. Update Excel from Account Update options to keep security and features current. Use Repair in Programs and Features if Excel fails to start or crashes. For refunds or license transfers, visit Account. Microsoft.com or contact Microsoft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.